This is my Texas cross Flowerhorn crossed with a blood parrot to get a red Texas. You can tell the female parrot is really dropped, and look at the eggs. We got a good couple eggs. Let's see if they stay fertile. And you can tell this Texas got a pretty bad drop on him too. You can just come over here. They're already done laying eggs and fertilizing. Now they're just protecting their eggs. But I would like to see the drop. It's pretty random. See, he's protecting the eggs. They're pretty good parents, but let's just see if he's able to fertilize it or not. See, there's his drop right there. Pretty big drop. And hybrid or not, usually hybrids are infertile, but in this case, hopefully he's fertile, so we can get some nice red Texas out of this. So yeah, keeping my fingers crossed. If not, then we have to do the hybrid female with the my devil. Hopefully that will get us some red Texas as well, but the traits, the dominant traits won't be as strong. I was able to breed these guys on this side, so let's see what happens. Hopefully good.